introduction series. The tutorial we are going to today topic is called addressing mode. The previous session we discussed about the machine instructions, where we started about branching, and recently we discussed about the theory concept called basic input and output operation of the computer. So whenever time we will see step by step. If you prepare GATE or prepare for university or any exam or competitive exam, these are very important topic. Whereas these topics come under the category of machine instructions. Okay, let's go for the topic here, the addressing mode. Today the session will definitely helpful for you to learn what is addressing mode and why it is so important, and types of the addressing mode, at last some of the numerical example. So definitely you can understand here. So before going this topic, you have to know the idea about effective address. What is effective address? It is a term, you can say simply it's a term that describes the address of an operand that is stored in the memory. So keep in mind that it's a term where describe the address of the operand that is stored in the memory. So there will be effective address, it has some value. For example, in the memory stack it may be 500, that's the default value, or 1000 means that is the default value of effective address. So let's go over here. Now what is addressing mode? So addressing mode, nothing is it's a method to specify the operand of an instruction. So repeating, it's a method to specify the operand of an instruction. The job of these are topics are common for computer organization, architecture, or we can say computer organization and architecture as well as the microprocessor. So the job of generally the job of a microprocessor is to execute a set of instructions stored in memory to perform a specific task. The operations need the following, like let's say the operator opcode which determines what will be done, and the operands which define the data to be used in the operation. So for example, if you say a plus b is equal to 10, or you can say you can add a, add comma b, like that if you want to do in the terms of machine instructions. Now why it is so important? Generally in the computer uses addressing mode techniques with the purpose of giving programming versatility to the user by providing facilities like so programmers are convenient when they use the addressing mode in the computers with a point like as pointed to the memory, and second point because indexing of data is very easy, and program relocation is so also easy. At last we can say to reduce the number of bits in the addressing field of the instruction. So let's go for an example in future sessions. You can get the clarity about these points. Now go for the types of addressing modes. There will be 10 types. They are very major and important, very basic and important question. So the types of addressing mode called, you can say that is implied mode, immediate mode, register mode, register direct mode. There will be spelling mistake, please ignore it. Register indirect mode, then auto increment and auto decrement mode, and direct address mode, and indirect address mode, relative address mode, and indexed address mode, at last base address mode. These are the base address mode. Sorry, I go and correct it. So some small mistakes there. So be clear with this. This doesn't definitely help you to learn the basics and what is what, and there is no complications here. So here R I mentioned, I have mentioned R, and here base not address only. Okay. So we go for a session now, so we can easily understand and get it what is what. There is no confusion. Some session we can see the diagrams and so on. We in the numerical example get the clarity here. So we will go first one, implied mode. Here what will happen in the implied mode? Here the operands are specified implicitly. Where example you can say any complement accumulator. Then immediate mode, here the opcode followed by the operation field where operands are specified explicitly. Example you can say R10. If you want R10, immediately will do this instructions. Okay. Then register mode. Here register contains an operands where it be example you can say AC transfers AC plus R off. That is a register value. Accumulator value plus AC stands for accumulator value where it store accumulator plus register value. That is a register mode. Then register indirect mode. Here what happens? Register contains the operands. The example you can say AC transfers AC plus of R. When you go indirect, you spin the two square bracket. So this is the one where major computers using the technology. So we can say, for example, if you want to represent y, I can represent the y with the help of x. X stands for y, and y x again stands for another value, and last we will get the y. That is the indirect mode, you can say. Then another major important things here is auto increment and auto decrement. Here auto increment what happened, the register value increased by 1 but after the execution of instruction. Example, you can say effective address E is equal to R. So once you execute the program, after that the register value will increment. For example, 500, it become 501 after executing the program. Now next one is auto decrement mode. This is dead opposite to the auto increment mode. Here in the auto decrement what happened, the register value decreased by 1 before the execution of instruction. So for example, so here you can say example E effective address called R minus 1. Here R plus 1, here R minus 1. That is after execution. Keep in mindset. I forgot to keep here. So here R minus 1. So for example 400 is there. It become 399. Then it will execute the instruction. Then direct address mode. Here what will happen? The address of the operand is specified in the instruction itself only. Example, you can say accumulator transfers AC plus a register value. That is X. And indirect address mode, where the address field of the instruction gives the memory address wherein the operand is stored in the memory. Example, you can say AC transfers AC plus of X of double square bracket. That means and so on. Similar to indirect addressing, this is indirect addressing mode. So we will see the numerical example where we will get clarity. And relative address mode, where the PC value, that is program counter value, will be added with the address field value of the instruction, that is equal to effective address, or you can say effective address is equal to accumulator plus PC program counter. Then index address mode, where index register plus address field will be there, that is considered as a effective address. Here example, you can say effective address is equal to A plus index. At last, base address mode, base address plus address field is equal to EA, that is effective address. Example, you can say E is equal to A plus base. So out of this 10 we see only 9 here. That's sufficient for understanding numerical example. So consider there will be a numerical example here given. The PC value start from 200 given, and R1 value 400, and accumulator value by default start from here like that. Some value given, and XR value 100 like that. So I go here, then explain easily, you can catch it. So here, so first we will make it the name of the mode, the direct mode, immediate mode, indirect mode, relative, index, register, register direct, register indirect, auto increment, and auto decrement like that. Any order can make. So now we can go for the sum here. So already your numerical example given. This load to accumulator mode will be there. So effective address by default, the effective address start from the address 500 only, and PC program counter start from 200, 201, 202, and so on. Some values will by default will be there. So here we will go for next execution. So next instruction like that. Now first one direct address. How do we find direct address? Here the effective address of direct address is 500. So 500. Then what is the content of accumulator here? The 500 go on stands 800. So we can select 800 is the choose 800 is the accumulator value. Then immediate operand. Here address is here. The effective address is 500. What is the immediate operand here? That is 201. So 201, where the 201, where is 201, so you can take the effective address 201, where is again representing the 500 effective address. So you can write 201, the content base you can write 500. So simple and easy. Next address what? Indirect address. Indirect I told you X stands for Y, sorry X stands for another, and again another stands for Y value. Here indirect address what you can do, 500 will be there. The 500 where you go and check it here, 500 where go and denote 800. So again 800 can take the effective address, where 800 again denote the value called 300. So like this we can make it. We can have easily calculate the effective address and the content of the accumulator. Sometime based on this example only consider gate or some problems. Sometime value won't be there, we can put hyphen if address not there. So next one is the relative address, where is in the different. Here the PC value plus 2 will be there. So PC value is there. What is the PC value here? 200 plus address value also added. Address value plus 2. So 500 plus 200, 700 plus 2. 702 will be there. Second relative address is nothing but PC plus some 2 plus value. So PC value is what? 200. And effective address value is 500. 200 plus 500 is 700 plus 2. So 702 will be there. Where is the 702 denoted here? 702 stands for 325. So you can take the value and write content of accumulator value finalize 325. Next, index addressing. In the index address also what is that? From here we have to consider only the register value or direct register value or another register value, XR value. So here indirect address word, here what will happen means in the address of 100 plus effective address will be added. 500 plus 100, so it becomes 600. where index address 600 varies in the stack, this memory location. 600 stands for 900, so we can make it out. So finalize 900 is the content of accumulator. And register direct. So in the register direct, unfortunately there is no effective address. So what you can do, you can go directly, you can check it. There is no effective address. The register value is by default 400. So you can write the content of base, you can write 400 only. Next is in register indirect, where major and most of the computers based on register indirect only. Anyhow, it execute the task very fast, instruction very fast. So register indirect. So just now I told you the register value is 400. We can take that is the by itself is the memory address. Itself is the effective address. So 400. The 400 memory location where is stand. 400 denotes and stands the represent the 700. So you can finalize 400 and write the content of accumulator 700. So last two is auto increment decrement. Just now I told auto increment what the register value is there, it will incremented by 1 after execute the instruction. So most of things cases we can't see that one. So if you want, you can mention auto increment value, otherwise not required. So 401 will be there, and where is the 400 by default showing in the diagram memory location, that is 700. Again 700 right. At last auto decrement. Auto decrement what? First step, the register value decremented by 1. Is decremented by 1. Then you execute the instruction. So R1 value 400, it become 399. So in the memory location or stack content of the accumulator diagram, where is the 399? The 399 value stores denote the 400. So finalize 450 is the answer for the content of AC data. So like that you can easily get the solution for the numerical example. Direct address, immediate address, indirect address, relative address, index addressing, registered indirect, auto increment, auto decrement. Okay, these are things you have to remember about the addressing mode. What is addressing mode? Why is so important addressing mode? What is the role of the address mode? Why is so important in computer organization, architecture, the role of microprocessor, everything. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and wait for updates. Please share with friends and connect with the Facebook, Twitter, social media. Thank you.